Hi, hello and welcome to a new vid. And today we're experimenting yet again with our audio. I'm out on my own, Carol's at work. We're using the DJI Mic 2, the audio adapter on the Action 4 and the receiver. And that way Carol and I would still be able to get our joint audio. At the moment we record our joint audio onto our 360 camera, and that's what I've been using previously. So this is just a test today to see whether we can use I've got the sender actually in the chin piece of my helmet. And before everybody says in the comments that mic 2 will connect Bluetooth wise directly to that camera, yes I know, but we won't be able to link both of the senders for Carol and my audio, so that's why I want to try it this way. Absolutely gorgeous day to be out today. Now, can you still hear the bike? So of course I won't know what this audio sounds like until get back to my computer. If anybody's wondering what cameras we're using as well, it's all DJI. So DJI microphone 2, Action 4 looking back at me, Action 3 here, and Action 3 on the back of the bike. Really big fans of these cameras. None of them have caused us any reliability problems, unlike the GoPros. Oh no, you gotta be joking. Look at the state of this. This is diabolical. Whoa. This, honestly guys, is downright dangerous. Where's the chuffing road sweepers? God, there's piles of gravel. Look at it. See it? There's piles and piles of loose gravel everywhere. And this is a sad excuse for repairing roads in this country, I tell you. Do it, keep doing it year on year. Yeah, if you look there, look, the manholes get lower and lower. So the manholes are about 3 inches below the road level, look. It's disgusting. Whoa, piles and piles of stuff. Look at it. Why don't they resurface them properly? One of these days it's going to kill a motorcyclist or a push biker. It's an absolute disgrace. Get used to it, people of England. This is the only type of road maintenance we're going to see. Only people that love that sort of surface are windscreen repairs. Anyway guys, here endeth the short test. Hopefully catch you on the next one. Fingers crossed you'll see us out with Carol.